Welcome back to the channel, guys. This is Josh from Lead and Iron. So for today's video, I wanted to introduce you to the Fifine SC8. It's this guy right here. The best part about this is it's very affordable. You have 4 customizable buttons that you can record audio on. You have all these different voice changers here with the press of a button, and then you long press and it turns it off. You have chat and game audio. So you have output for your PC, your game if you're playing. You can change the audio here. You have your audio for game chat or the game. Here, your mic, of course, you can turn the gain up or down. And then the aux, so if you have maybe your phone plugged in for music, this is what that would be for. So here at the top, I want to show you guys. So that is your XLR plug right there. And why it's connected to that headset? It is because if you have a headset with a mic and you plug it into this, you don't get 2 mics. You're going to get just your headset mic and your headset working. So if you want to have a dedicated mic that's not on your headset, you would plug it in here where it says headphone. If you plug this into that headset and you don't have a mic on your headset, it's going to think you do. I just want to let you know that's why it's connected like that. You can also choose a dynamic or condenser mic. It should change the way it sounds. We went over your headset, what that means. Your aux in, so if you have a music source or another computer, you can bring in audio here. And then my headphones, my game set that I would use without a mic, would go here. You have your fiber optic in, and then here's where you plug in your PC or PS4/PS5. I like about this is you can also change the RGB. That little button right there changes your RGB, and we'll go through those. It's real easy to set up. We don't need to have drivers or anything else installed. It's literally plug and play, and what we'll do is I'll go through it in real time with you. I'll plug this in, I'll screen record in here to show you. Yeah. And then we'll go from there. Just waiting for my PC to boot. And what I want to do is screen record me plugging it in and then plugging the rest of the stuff in as well. If you see me, I'll have an iPhone that's an overhead kinda, so I can show you plugging this stuff in. Okay, so I want to show you all the different ways. I have a few, I got too many cameras on me now. But I want to show you how easy it is to connect. So all I'm going to do is I ran it as a USB-C to USB-C with an A adapter. So I just ran that to the back of my PC. This is going to go right into that USB-C port right here in the back. So now it's plugged in. And then we're going to take this XLR cable that's right here. This is this microphone. This is the Tank 6. If you haven't seen my review on it, I love this microphone. This is my favorite mic of all time right now. I absolutely love this microphone. And I'm going to plug that in. Let me try to show my phone here. Like so. There we go. Now I want to also plug in my gaming headset because there are some cool features on here that we can use to enhance our experience. So here I have Fifine headset. I don't remember which headset this is. I'll put the link to these headsets in the description below, but these are good headsets. Also by Fifine. What I'm going to do is plug this headset in. Here's my 3.5 millimeter. And what I'm going to do is, you see where it says headphone? That's where I'm going to plug it in. Just like that. And now I got to change the audio source. And it should be picking up my audio source now. It is the SC8. Now there's some cool things I could do on this, having this set up like this. So now if I need 48 volt, I can do it. This microphone does not need it, so I don't have to do it at all. Here is one of the best options. It's your mic monitor. So if you want to try to figure out your levels, you can listen to yourself in real time. And I'm listening to myself right now in real time. It sounds like it's pretty good. Now, if you want to, you can continue to listen to yourself, or you can turn that off just by pressing the button again. Now, 7.1, I'm going to monitor myself again. I want to see what it sounds like. 7.1 is supposed to help you distinguish better. If you're playing games like Warzone, it's going to give you better like foot sounds, directional areas, stuff like that. Now, all you can do is just press this one time and it turns off. Equalizer, so there's the equalizer option on here as well. And that actually helps you. So if you're consuming content or if you're, listening to music and not gaming, you can use this to go through these different options right here. And the first one's going to be gameplay. The second one is music. And the third one is more like movies or, YouTube stuff like that. So you can cycle through. It should kind of show you what that does with your EQ here. Just press it and it'll turn off. So we have 4 customizable buttons. I use these when I'm playing games with my friends to troll people. I know it's kind of toxic, but that's what I do that's really what gameplay is, Enemy
UAV overhead.
So I call in fake UAVs so people think that are around me that now I have a UAV. It works, so that's why I have it.
And we say bye-bye.
Because a lot of people don't like them and it triggers them, gives me more of an advantage because now they're angry.
I missed the part where that's my problem.
Anytime they say something like cheater or, your hacks or whatever, I can play that. And then this, that is fake footsteps. So when I want to try to draw people out, this works great when I'm by myself as well, is I'll push this button and that gives people, it makes people think that I'm running. It works. That's why I have it on here. I wouldn't have it on here if it didn't work. The next thing I want to go through is this voice changer. So there's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 voices here and an auto tune. So the auto tune is like if you want to sing, but this is like real strong auto tune you'll hear right now. So this is the auto tune, and you can tell that now it sounds more electronic. You can tell that it's fixing my tone. You can tell that it's fixing my voice. So if you want to sing something like happy birthday to you, like to me, it's really strong auto tune. I don't use this because one, I don't sing like that, but I don't know. To me, it sounds really strong.
This next one is his elder, so I guess it's supposed to be like an older gentleman. That is something that maybe I used during the Halloween in Warzone, kind of to give like a deeper voice. Hey guy, what are you doing? Get over here, son. Stuff like that.
This next one is a monster, which I think I don't like it because you don't understand what the people are saying.
And this is more of a megaphone.
And this is a baby, so I don't know. I don't think I've ever used this. Yeah, I don't think I've ever used it. It is kind of funny. It is. I like to troll people when I'm playing Warzone or games like that. Like Arc Raiders, this would be great.
Here is female. I don't know. I don't see myself ever using this.
Or a male, it's almost the same as elder, so you have kind of like 2 elders. I feel like elder and male are kind of like monster, but this is what monster should have been. if that makes any sense.
And then we're back to auto tune. And if you want to turn this off, all you have to do is long press. I'm sorry you had to live through that. I'm ashamed. I can't believe I did that. Anyway, so when you mute the output, it turns red and then it goes back. I wish this was green around. I mean, we don't get what we want, I guess, all the time. Same with the aux. You can, if you push down on this button, it will mute it. And then when you unmute it, you'll know because the red is gone. And the same with the microphone. The microphone is off, but all the other cameras are picking it up. But this microphone is not working, though it's picking it up. It's just not transferring it through to the end user. And all you have to do is turn that or push the button again. It'll come back on. So real simple, real easy. The reason I like having an audio mixer like this is because you can control so much on the fly. I like having the ability to turn up and down the chat and turn up and down the game on the same knob. And if anyone here has ever used a microphone that has like controls on the side and stuff, and as you're messing with it, like on stream or in a video or anything, you're going to hear, I mean, it's just natural because your hands are going to be moving in and out of that. So that I just kind of want to show you why I like having an audio mixer. This is the Ampli-Gain from Fifine. It's the SC8. I really like this. Oh, the RGB. So this has a lot of different options for you to customize how your look is. This does not come with a XLR cable. You will have to purchase that on your own. Keep that in mind as well, especially if you have an XLR microphone. I have this XLR microphone that I love this microphone. I don't think I'll ever get rid of this thing. This is a Tank 6 from Fifine as well. I'm going to put that in the video description. It's a little pricey, but it's worth it. It gives you a good idea of what the RGB is, how you can customize your look, how you want it to look and tie into your setup. This is the Fifine SC8. They give us the ability to have nicer things that aren't super expensive. Like I said, I love these headphones. I use these every time I game. Most everything that I have that I use a lot does come from Fifine. My microphone, for one. On this one, I have another headset, the H6, that has a great headset microphone. It is a USB headset though. So you have to plug that into the USB itself. And then you'll have to use the microphone that's on that USB, or you can unplug it. But this is for the SC8. The price right now is a great price, especially for the holidays. This would make a great gift. If you have any other questions about this audio mixer, please leave those in the comments below. I would be happy to answer anything that you have, especially that has to do with Fifine. I love Fifine. I love their products. This one I did purchase, but they do take care of me. They do take care of me on this channel, and they do a great job of taking care of, their customers as well. I am a customer. I love Fifine. I will support them as much as I can. I think you should too. They're a great company. I like the humbleness of them. They make really good products for a really decent price. If there is somebody that you want to get a gift for, you don't know what to get them, and they game, you can look here. You can start here. They have USB mics. They have USB XLR mics. They have audio mixers like this, the SC8. They have headsets. They have headphones. There's something for everyone in Fifine, and they sound great and work great. Anyway, guys, thank you for joining me. This was the Fifine SC8. Easy to install, no drivers necessary. I think it works great. I think it sounds great. I think it does a great job. Thank you for spending time with me, but I gotta go because my back hurts.